Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Uh, Today we are talking about an ad networks. An ad network is basically a company that provides services to both publishers and advertisers. If someone wants to promote their company or product worldwide, they look for an ad network that is best for advertising their brand. On the other hand, publishers do their part by displaying those ads on their platforms. In return, they earn money through commissions. Now Now let's talk about ad networks. As you can see, there are multiple ad networks companies out there, uh, like AdStera, Castarestige, My Bid.io, Popular Ads, Hilltop, Hilltop Ads, AdMaven. As you can see, there are multiple ad network company out there. First, we need to discuss which ad network is the best. To understand that, you must first understand investment. For example, Google investments billions of dollars worldwide to its promote its product and services. Because Google investment is so high, publisher can also earn more, some things $1,000, $10,000, or even more. The same logic applies to alternate ad networks. If an ad network's investment is high, then publisher earning should also be high. So if you want to earn money from a publisher account, always choose an network with strong investors and high investment. If you want to be a publisher, you need to understand CPC, RPM, CPT, and CPM. If you want to learn more about those, comment below and let me know, and I will examine I will explain them in detail. If you want to know which ad network is best, comment below and I will reply and suggest the best ad networks for you. So, goodbye. We meet in another video. So that's it for today. I hope you like it.